Hello kids, today I'm going to teach you how to draw an Adopt Me dog. So let's start. Let's draw the eyes with this. Let's use a pen only, like this, for the eyes. Okay, a little one there. And one more eye. And another circle. There, now let's color it in. Let's make the nose. Okay, the nose will be one line here. Okay, and another one here. And connect. Let's make it a little circle. Like this. Okay, let's color it in again. But this time the nose. Oh, oops. Don't worry if you make any mistakes. It's okay if you make some mistakes, even when you miss a spot and accidentally got out, and your pen accidentally got out of the color. Okay, now let's get the yellow color. There. Now first, let's put the yellow color right here. Okay, there. Okay. And now do this, make a small curve. Now let's make this a little longer, okay? Okay, now let's do this. Okay. Now first we're going to skip off the yellow first. Let's do the tongue. The dog is sticking out its tongue. There. Okay. Now let's color the tongue in. Now back to the yellow one. Let's go back to the yellow one. Follow my steps. Then do that. Now let's make a circle. There. Now let's get out the pen again. Connected like this, like a petal. Another right here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, there. Now let's start to color up the ears. Okay, and there. One more. There, make a line of it right here. Okay. Okay. Now let's start making the body. Let's start making it like a bean shape. Oh, wait. Let's do this first. Okay. Oh, except for the top. Okay, there. Wait. But I've missed a spot. There. Okay, now let's make the body now. Let's make it the bean. Okay. Straight one. Oh, a little bit. Color it in again. I'm also going to design my puppy. But it's a Daphne dog. You may also name your dog drawing. Now, make a turn one like that. And point. Okay. Now the body is done, and the face is done, the ears are done, and the tongue is done. Now let's make the feet. Okay, so do the circle again like we did on the doggy cat. Okay, and another there. Okay. Okay, I want to dress up my pets. But first, let's do this. You can dress up your Daphne dog. Choose any color you want. Or also name your Daphne dog. I'm going to name my Daphne dog. Darla is a guy name. And my dog is a girl. It's green shoes. This is the great green shoes. Mine. And the back is going to be, okay, you can choose any color you want. Your dog is this way. Which one? I might have red shoes. Sneakers. Okay, my leaf badge of my puppy looks like cereal. Okay, now my dog is done. Now subscribe to our channel and ring the bell if you like this video and give this thumbs up if you like it. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!